So hi, I'm Sachin and I'm handling sales and marketing for Good Enough Energy. So we are into battery energy storage system. So we manufacture BESS and proudly say we are the only manufacturer in India right now. So we are helping companies to go for green, go for net zero and reduce the carbon emission, diesel generator emission. So we are helping companies in this. So we have 7 gigawatt hour factory in Greater Noida, Ecotech 7. So we are the only one manufacturer right now in India. So we are working C&I, commercial and institutional level only. So first one, which I already mentioned, that we are the only one manufacturer in India. So that is the cost of opportunity we are giving to the client. And secondly, the thing is the cell we are using in our BESS, which is higher energy density, which is the only one manufacturer right now. So with the capacity of 5 megawatt hour and 10 megawatt hour. And secondly, for client side, if I will say like someone if purchase the BESS from other competitors right now, they face challenge in post-sale service because they are not the Indian manufacturer. So after sales support, they have to go to China or face issue in the sales service. But our upper advantage is that we are the POC, only POC, and we help companies in house only. So that is the main, I think the upper edge for us. So I think the first day was almost over and it was amazing. We got a lot of traction from the client. In this event, I think there is a lot of competitors install also, lot of EPC contractor also. So agenda or main goal is to maximize the marketing of our BESS, and secondary to showcase our product that yes, we are the only one and we exist in India. Not only the China is manufacturing, but the BESS battery energy storage system, the Good Enough is also manufacturing this. So idea is simple. For the rest 2 days, we will go for each and everyone who will visit, and if I will be very happy if we can help anyone to reduce the carbon emission and fossil consumption.